Do you want to create a table that looks like this? Well, you can do exactly that with Sheets to WP Table's new table customization feature. So, let's see how it works. Start by heading over to the Sheets to WP Table Live Sync settings. Here, you can either add a new table or customize an existing table. Let's work with an existing table. Click on the Table Theme option to open up the customization panel. Once you're in the panel, you've got a few choices. You can pick from a variety of pre-made themes that fit different styles and purposes. Now, to make your table truly your own, select a default theme and tweak its colors to match your style. This means you can adjust the background, text, and borders to fit perfectly with your brand or personal preference. And if you're feeling extra creative, there's a new theme option where you can start from scratch. This lets you play around with different color combinations and design elements, giving you full control over how your table looks. Let's start by changing the header colors, adjusting the background and text colors to match your style. Once you are done, don't forget to fetch and save your changes. View the changes in real time on the front end to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you go! You've created a stunning table for your website that not only looks great but also enhances user experience. With the table customization feature, you have endless possibilities to tailor your tables exactly how you want them. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you want to see more tutorials, tips, and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting features and enhancements.